My name is Matt Swope. I'm born and raised in Shasta County. Been in the automotive industry for nearly a decade now. Owned a car lot, and now we're here at Anderson Smog Shop in Anderson, California. Anderson Smog Shop, we smog both gas and diesel vehicles. We also do auto repair, brakes, diagnostics, air conditioning, anything to do with a check engine light, AC diagnostic, AC repair, light engine work, alternators, starters, window regulators, electrical diagnostics, electrical repair, and so much more.